This is Class Dojo, and it is a communication application website that I intend to use with my students and their parents, so they are my intended audience. And I created a class. I don't have a class right now, so I put my husband and my son's names down. So what you can do is you have a chance to give your kids points when they do something well. So I'm going to click on Larry, and let's say he was doing a good job participating. I give him a point, so now he's up to 5 points. You can also put the students in groups, or you can have a whole class or whole class, so everybody was doing great and they got a point. So I think this is really great to use as an incentive for students, and I'm going to definitely need something for management next fall because I'm going to be teaching online. So that is something that I intend to use it for. You can also use it for activities, and the students can use it to create posts for you too. So these are your options. You can do something with text, video, photo, drawing, and then do math lesson, just making up something really quickly, and then you assign it to class, and there it is. So they can also message back to you and do the same thing. Another big reason I plan on using this is so I can use it to communicate with parents. I've never used Class Dojo, but I was a parent who got messages from Class Dojo, and it's really nice and efficient. So what I did was I signed up as Larry's parent, and what's really neat about that is looking at it from the parent end, you can actually change the language settings, and I have a lot of parents who speak Spanish, so if I send them a message and they've changed their language setting to Spanish, then they can receive the translated message. So that's great. They also, once they sign on, they can see how their child is progressing and doing, and that's just great communication. So overall, I really think this is going to work out well. I know teachers have used it for years and really liked it. So the one last thing that I do want to do with this is use it for growth mindset, which is really big in my district. And they have videos that you can share with your class that go through scenarios that they may experience and how they can work through it with growth mindset. The ISTE standards for educational leaders that I feel Class Dojos speak to are 3D, which supports cultural and emotional needs of individual students, absolutely does that. And also 5C, which uses technology to engage and reflect on personal growth, which I think is good for the students in this sense. So I'm excited about it, and I definitely plan on using it as soon as I start up in the fall.